right, so I'm going to go ahead and explain to you how to do these problems using a number line, and that's also in the YouTube video that I put in the classroom. All right, so we are starting at 8:26 a.m. and we're ending at 11:04 a.m. So I'm going to draw a line, and I want you to draw a line too. And then we're going to put 8:26 over here at the beginning and put a little a.m. And then over here at the end, which is our ending point, I'm going to put 11:04 a.m. Okay, so now we have a good visual of our elapsed time. So the elapsed time is the time between this time and that time, right? And we're going to use these mountains to represent hours. Okay, so we're going to figure out the whole hours that are between here first. So if I start at 8:26, I'm going to say to myself 9:26, 10:26, and I can't go to 11:26 because that would be more than 11:04. So I'm going to stop at 8:26, 9:26, and I'm 9:26, 10:26, and I'm going to put 10:26 here. Okay. So I have 2 whole hours that I can fit. And now I have to figure out how many minutes there are between 10:26 and 11:04. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to write down my 2 hours over here so I don't forget, because I have 2 whole hours, right? And there's a couple ways to do this. You can simply count, or you can think about it like this. And here's how I suggest you think about it for this. If I have a clock, if I divide the clock in half, I know that this is 30 minutes and this is 30 minutes, right? And if I'm thinking about the time 10:26 to 11:04, 10:26 is right here and 11:04 is kind of right here. So I'm going to count how many minutes until I get to 10:30, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So I have 4 minutes here. And then I have 30 minutes here. And then 11:04, I add 4 more minutes. So I'm going to do 4 plus 30, which is 34, plus 4 more is 38. So there are 38 minutes between here. So 2 hours and 38 minutes. And if I wanted to do it where I was just counting, I'm going to use this symbol to represent minutes. I'm going to say 10:26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, and that can get tedious, right? Or I could count by 5s. But whatever works for you. You could count it all out like that, but it'll take you a little bit longer. All right, so let's try the next one, which is, I'm going to set this one up for you, and then I'm going to let you try to figure it out and send it back to me. So we have 5:56 a.m. is our starting time, and our finish time is 4:29 p.m. Okay, I'm going to set this one up like a number line also. Got a big long line. My starting time will go at the beginning of the line, 5:56. My end time will go over here, 4:29. Okay. And I have to figure out how many whole hours I can fit between 5:56 a.m. and 4:29 p.m. I'm going to hit noon and I'm going to keep going there. So I'm going to let you try to do that, counting whole hours. I'll go 5:56, 6:56, 7:56 all the way until I can get here without going further than 4:29.